In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira Plans for cross-project planning. By the end, you'll be comfortable creating a plan, bringing work from multiple projects into one place, organizing timelines, understanding dependencies, and keeping everyone aligned. Start by opening Jira and heading to the Plans area in the top menu. Depending on your version, this might appear under More or be labeled Advanced Planning. Once you're there, click Create Plan. This is where you'll define what your roadmap will show and how it will stay in sync with your existing work. Give your plan a clear, descriptive name so stakeholders can recognize it at a glance. Names like Company Product Roadmap or Marketing and Development Plan work well because they set expectations. Next, select the projects or spaces you want to include. Choose the issue sources that make the most sense for your team's workflow. Boards. If you want to mirror how teams work day to day, projects if you prefer to include everything within specific project keys, or saved filters if you already have curated views you trust. When that's set, click Create to build the plan. Your plan opens as a cross-project timeline that brings together epics, stories, and tasks from all the sources you selected. You can expand or collapse items to see more or less detail, which helps you move quickly between a high-level roadmap and the specific work behind it. Use this view to confirm that the right work is included and aligned across teams. To organize the timeline, simply drag items to adjust schedules. Set start dates and target dates so expectations are clear and timeframes are visible at a glance. Add dependencies to make relationships explicit, so if one piece of work must finish before another can start, the plan reflects that. For different perspectives, group the view by team to see who owns what, by project to emphasize organizational boundaries, by release to center on delivery milestones, or by assignee when you need to understand individual focus areas. Tracking dependencies and capacity is where Jira Plans really shines. Look for blocked or dependent tasks that cross projects. This helps you surface risks early and coordinate handoffs. Review team workload and capacity to make sure you're not overcommitting. If you notice a spike in planned work, that's a cue to adjust priorities, split tasks, or rebalance assignments before timelines slip. As you make changes, save your updates so the plan stays accurate. When you're ready, share the plan with managers or stakeholders to keep everyone aligned on scope, timing, and ownership. A regularly updated plan becomes your single source of truth, guiding conversations, decisions, and delivery across projects.